probably gonna die during this. Okay, hi. Oh, ew! Anyway, what's up, gamers? My name is Annika Osterlund, and today I'm going to, be making my face look more presentable. For nothing though. I'm gonna be doing a little makeup look. I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in so fucking long, so I'm going back to my roots and gonna do a makeup tutorial. A few months ago, I did a playlist video, and in the playlist video, I did this look that I really liked. It was like an olive green type thing. So I'm gonna try and do that again. I don't remember exactly how I did it, and it probably won't turn out as good. Do I even still have the fucking palette that I used? Yeah. Jaclyn Hill, Snake. It's green, so it's fitting. Snake palette. I have not done makeup in so long, so this might be really bad. But it's okay, just bear with me. I'm gonna put my hair back, even though that will make me look worse. I hate it. Okay, well, it's happening. Oh my god, this is so bad. Let's just try and move on. I don't have to look at myself, you have to look at me. At the same time, if I'm looking straight into the camera, isn't this kind of awkward? I feel like this is a little bit awkward. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm looking dead into you, which is really weird. Because in most of my videos, I'm looking over there, and it's a little bit better. Like, it's less personal. With this, I'm literally staring into your soul. Like, even when I'm on FaceTime with people, which I like my videos to feel like a little FaceTime sesh, I am always looking at myself. I'm never looking into the camera during a FaceTime, and if you do that, you're a sociopath. Narcissism for the win. I'm just gonna shut up. I have not used the Tarte Shape Tape in so long. I'm gonna try and do as many things as similar to that video. That didn't make any sense because it looked really good when I did it. Here's a picture of what it fucking looked like. Okay, so I'm pretty sure actually first I started with a small brush. Started in my crease and then blended it out. But what color did I use first? Probably used Prowl, the dark brown. Put that in my crease. So, what have you guys been doing during quarantine? I've been doing a lot of crying. Way more than I normally do. My camera fucking died and I was just sitting there like staring at myself for like 30 minutes and I realized that brown is not the color that should be going in the crease. It should be the green. I'm not using that color. I don't know why I put the brown in my crease. Anyway, also my boyfriend FaceTimed me and so I was just sitting there like I just look so whack. Like, you know, like he wouldn't have cared, but like I cared. I put the shade Top Secret in the crease and I did it on the outer and the inner corners. And now I'm gonna take the shade Secure, which is like a nice little orange brown shade, and I'm gonna blend it out. I have no idea what I was talking about. Oh, I think I was talking about how quarantine sucks and how it makes me sad and probably makes a lot of other people sad too. I'm just so fucking done with it, but you know what? We're not gonna talk about that right now because it's good vibes here, all around, good vibes. That's my story. Comment down below your life story, your address, your social security number. Put your credit card number down in the comments. Don't forget the 3 numbers on the back and the billing address. It wasn't funny. I don't know why I said that. That was so funny at the beginning of quarantine. I was making some really nice TikToks and then I don't know where it went. My sense of humor just absolutely diminished. There's just nowhere to be found. There's a fine line of like being funny depressed and then just being depressed and not being able to make jokes. I think I'm at that second one. I have been making a lot of art though recently. I've been considering submitting like an art portfolio to college, and then I go on TikTok and I see all the like great artists that spend like hours on their art, and then I like think about how I'll spend like 20 minutes on my art, an hour maybe. So I feel like that's just fucked up if I try and submit a portfolio. I think I'm gonna take the shade Smooth Criminal and then blend the Secure shade and the Top Secret shade together. Oh my god, I totally forget how to fucking do eyeshadow. This looks like ass. It looks so muddy. Remember when I was good at eyeshadow? Because I fucking don't. Why does it look like that? I slept through all of my classes again today. I actually went to the first one and then I slept. Like I was like, I'm just gonna take a quick nap in between classes, and then I just slept through all the other ones. I'm doing really well. Eyeshadow is just one of those things that you need to keep practicing consistently, and I have not been doing that, so it just looks bad. But that's okay. I'll get it back. I'm just sorry that you had to see this. Okay, anyway, cut crease time. Tell me more about yourself. I hope you're talking right now. That would be cute. Like, imagine if we're like having an actual conversation right now and I don't even know it. Yeah, dude, that's so cool. I'm so happy for you. Yeah. Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, it'll get better though. I'm not good at this. Cut crease. I'm gonna do a halo eye. Cool. So Now that we have that, blending out the edges. I'm gonna take the shade Coin, which is a really pretty like gold shade, and I'm gonna put that on the outer edges. And then I'm gonna put the VIP shade, which is like the white one, and put that on the center. Dude, this halo eye is shit. It's like pointy at the top. Why is it pointy? Did I do the VIP shade or did I do the guilt trip? I'll just do fucking both. This looks like ass. I should have practiced before I filmed this. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Hopefully it comes together. I'll also put on lashes, and we'll come back, we'll do the face makeup, and we can actually talk, you know, have good old conversation. So it looks pretty fucking whack, not gonna lie. Hopefully it'll all like work out once I have like a full face on. Yeah, I don't know. I used the Cocoa Queen Bee lashes. They look so good. Like, bruh, these are like the perfect lashes for my eyes. I look so disgusting. Okay. I really hope that this works itself out. The cut creases are so uneven. This one's taller than that one. Sanitize my hands. So about about like 6 months ago, I bought 2 of these fucking giant bottles of Purell, and I was like, bruh, I'm not gonna use these. Like, I'm gonna have no use for them, like, because I use them like once a day when I do my makeup. I use 1 pump. Who's winning now? Annika 1, coronavirus 0. Okay, except it did kill my grandma, but Annika 1, coronavirus 0. I'm gonna do moisturizer and then a pore filling primer. I know that a lot of states are opening back up quarantine wise. I really don't think that's like a wise decision, because I think that a second wave is gonna come. That's just inevitable, and by opening things up, people are gonna go out and they're gonna be stupid, and then the second wave is just gonna come much quicker and hit much harder. So I don't know if that's a good idea, shoddy, but you know what, live your life. Massachusetts is not gonna open up for a really long time because our governor is very conservative about this. That's what the fuck is up. I'm using the Touch in Sol No Pore Bloom Primer. That is such a stupid name. My skin has been really clapping my cheeks. I haven't really eaten a vegetable and actually I ate one of my first vegetables yesterday for the first time in like a week and a half. Yeah, I've been breaking out, pores clogged, and I don't give a fuck. I don't know what to say. That's why makeup tutorials, I don't do them because I never know what to say. This happens in every single makeup tutorial. If you go back and watch some of my other ones, even from like the beginning of my channel when I did makeup tutorials like 3 times a week, there will be like long periods of silence. I actually think I edit them out. I don't really remember the editing process for these. But yeah, we'll figure it out. I just really want to like go to the beach. This is just like what's going on in my mind. I was gonna do like an update video, but then I was like, nah, nobody's gonna fucking watch that because who cares? Yeah, I'm supposed to be cheering you up, but it can be hard sometimes, you know? That's just the fact. And you know what? What is our relationship if it's not honest? Something that still haunts me to this day is the fact that either my most viewed or second most viewed video on my channel is my Spanish makeup tutorial that I literally did for a Spanish class, my Spanish 3 class, and everybody in the class was like, you should post it, and I'm pretty sure that they were making fun of me, but I didn't know, so I posted it anyway, and it got almost 500,000 views. And so sometimes I'll post on TikTok and the video will like blow up a little bit, and I'll get at least 3 comments saying like, wait, isn't this the girl who did the Spanish makeup tutorial? So embarrassing. So embarrassing. I don't want to take the video down because it's like, I don't know, I got a lot of views on it. So I think about that every day. Every day. I cannot believe that I posted that video. That is, you know, like college boards will see that. Maybe they'll like it. I don't know. Probably not though. I need to do my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna do the brown, the green, wait, fuck. The green, the brown, the brown, the green, the brown, and then the yellow. Why are the cars so motherfucking loud? Bruh. Shut up! It works. This is why it's so important to do your lower lash line. That literally just, I look so much better now. I think. I can't find my brown eyeliner anywhere, and it's really unfortunate. I could just use brown eyeshadow. It doesn't hit as different. Okay, and then we're blending it out with the yellow. Mascara, and we'll do blush and shit. Almost done. I'm gonna do like a nude-ish blush. I can't believe I hated blush for such a long period of my life. I thought blush was stupid. I was so wrong. And then I'm gonna do a a gold highlight. I think it won't be too dark for me. It might be because I've gotten really pale because I haven't been going outside. We'll see. Okay, fingers crossed. I think we're good actually. When I did this look originally, I did like a glitter line in the cut crease, but I don't feel like doing that. I should do lip gloss or something. Do I have just a clear? Yeah, wait, is this clear? I haven't used this before, but we'll see. Oh no, is this gonna plump my lips? Yeah, you know what? Fucking go for it. So this is my final olive quarantine look. I'm leaving my hair up. I don't even want to try looking at it down. This really came full circle. I feel like this video is the definition of trust the process. 5 minutes ago, this look was absolute ass. Still doesn't look the best. It doesn't look as good as the original look, but every time you try and recreate something, it's never as good as the first time you do it. That's just how it be. But yeah, okay, this is the final look. I don't know if I'm probably gonna like edit this video and then look at it and be like, this is a shit video. I don't want it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, suck my dick. Keep on staying strong during quarantine. Baby girl, you got this. I know it can be hard. Just make sure you're taking care of yourself, prioritizing your mental health. Make sure you're doing self-care. Read a book, watch a movie, take a bath, do a face mask, paint your nails, eat some good food, read a book. I'm just kidding. Fuck bitches, get money.
Tell me that I'm an idiot, you know that you'll be lying. What?